Hey guys, I'm back with another video. This is just to make my videos better. I don't know if you guys want this in my videos. You just let me know down in the comments down below if you want me to do this for my videos. My mom said it would be perfect to make my videos better, but I want to make sure about you guys, the fans, to make sure if you want this in my videos, in my toy videos, or any of my videos, you just let me know. So, yeah, it's a little bit opened. Ding. No, not really. Okay. Does it look like it was open? It says it says 9 different sounds. So sound machine 9, sporting 6 plus and up. And it's $5. It was originally 6. But yeah, so that's why I bought it. For that reason. So yeah, there's a basketball, no, soccer ball, football, flute, flag, down thumb, baseball, something, tennis, run, and cheer. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We're gonna listen to them. So yeah.
Strike 3! You're out! Take your marks. Set.
A cheer one would be for like toy videos or something. So yeah, I think this is a cool noise machine. Zachary had one and it was red, and it had different ones, but his was red, mine's blue. So yeah, I really like this machine. It adds more stuff to my channel. So if you want me to put this in my videos, just say yes or no, like thumbs down for, like, there we go, thumbs down for no, or cheer for yes. But yeah, I am gonna open it and tell you guys how it feels. So I'll be right back. Alright? I'll be right back. Okay? I will see you guys when I come back. Sound machine. Sports sounds. 9. So here it is, the little machine. Nice and soft. The speakers are soft. The buttons are soft. Let's see. You can screwdriver it, so that means you put batteries in it. So if this ever does die, you can just put new batteries in, because these came with batteries. So that's pretty good for a sound effect machine. I would say for this review, it's a good thing that you can make your videos better, because I don't see famous YouTubers doing that. So, yeah. So please like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next review. Alright, see you guys later. Alright.